Hello and thank you for joining me. Today we're having a look at changing the cabin air filter in a 2012 Honda Civic. Now this procedure should be the same for any Honda Civic 2012 to 2020. It's a very simple procedure. Anybody can do it. It's probably the easiest thing you'll ever do. And you can save yourself a lot of money from what the dealership charges. Now this is the recommended filter for the 4-door 2012. Check out the description and links and you'll see product numbers. First step is to empty your glove box. Next, you'll push in on both sides, left and right. You're going to push in. There's a little rubber stopper that you're just bringing in. We'll let that fall all the way down. So now looking inside the glove box to the back, two things to take note of. One, there's an airflow direction. You see here the arrow is pointing down. We need to match that to our filter. Next we have some clips on either side. See this sort of grill here, this plastic piece, that's a cover. It's a clip on either side. Push it in and that will make it loose. You got both sides. And then you remove that. That exposes the filter itself. And just pull that out. So then once you have your new filter, the front and back are just the soft fabric, but the sides are hard. And on one of those sides, you're going to see the airflow written. So you can see on here, we want that arrow to go down. So on our hard side, we've got the arrow pointing down. I'm going to rotate it. There's only one way that it'll fit. So if you try putting it in and there's some play to either side, then you know you've got it in wrong. Just rotate it 90 and just slide it in. And that's it. Now we put the cover back on. The clips pop. Bring the glove box up. Now I'm going to push in on either side. So I've got the left and the right. Pushing in till those rubber stops come past. And that's it. All done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to receive more videos that are short, to the point, and not too wordy, please subscribe. Click on the links below in the description. That'll help me to grow the channel and help me to help you.